You know, every day I just sort of waltz out to the chicken coop, gather myself up some eggs, and go in and cook the most amazing omelet breakfast. And I never really take the time to actually thank my chickens. The most amazing part about the whole process is I don't even really pay that much for food. What they eat consists of stuff I find in the dumpster, table scraps, stuff that my kids don't eat, fodder that I grow for pennies on the dollar, all the stuff that they eat, bugs and grass-free grazing, and then of course we supplement them a little bit with some layer feeds. All in all, it's pretty inexpensive to feed them, and I never even so much as say thank you. Now I know they might be just dumb birds, but I think that they might appreciate a good home-cooked meal every once in a while. So throughout my dumpster diving, I managed to scrape up some of these hibachi noodles, and I thought, you know, it might be kind of fun just to kind of cook them something outside. Key to this, get the oil nice and hot before you throw everything in. Gonna add some black soldier fly larvae. And just a few seeds. All right, girls, dinner's on. You guys better enjoy this. I slaved over a hot stove for you guys. Come and get it. Come on, girls, eat it while it's hot. There we go. Don't be shy. Do you think they like it?
Yeah.
I know they do. They just don't say it. They appreciate it, I think. Gonna serve it with a side of pumpernickel bread. I don't know why I always find pumpernickel bread in the dumpster. It's like it always gets thrown away. No one ever eats it. I don't know if it's because it looks like a cow patty or if it just doesn't taste good. It kind of looks like a cow patty on this side. Kind of looks like a cow patty with mold on this side. So really no good way to look at it here.